for 2.5 years.
My name is Amber and I'm playing the cello. And I've been learning since I was prep.
Hello, my name is Rylan and I play the cello. I have been playing the cello for 3 years now. I really enjoy playing the cello because it plays the bass melody in an orchestra.
Hello, my name is Nelson and I play the violin and I've been playing the violin for 3 years. My name is Peggy and I play the viola. I've been playing for about two or more years.
Hi, my name is Sophie Johnson. I play the cello and I've played it for 3 years.
My name is Lucas and I play the double bass.
My name is Vivian and the best thing about Karawatha was the teachers, and I learnt a lot about playing my violin correctly.
My name is Johan and I play the violin. I've been playing since I was year 2 and it's a really great instrument, and the thing I love about Karawatha is that you get to connect with other students who play the violin and you get to learn more about how to play your violin.
The best thing about playing violin is you get this musical feeling and it's really calming, and you can cheer people up if they're a bit sad, and also making new friends.
I like playing the cello because you set the pathway for the other instruments. Without the bass, it's just really high and there's not really much texture to the music.
What I like about playing violin is the practice.
What I like about playing the viola is that sometimes, like when you're really stressed, you can just play some tunes and it can be really soothing, and it's really fun to learn.
I like Celtic strings because you don't get a sheet music, you have to learn it off the conductor. So you have to have a good memory and you have to be listening, and they won't tell you the notes, you have to hear it.
Celtic strings is an Irish form of string playing. It's when you play the music by ear. So usually the conductor or the person teaching you the Celtic strings plays it first and then you play it.
For Celtic strings, we listen. So the teacher plays a tune, and we have to, and then we will copy her, but she won't tell us what notes she's been playing. So we have to try and figure it out.
Some parts are easier than others, but sometimes it takes a little bit of listening and practicing to get it right.
how to play different parts in a song off without a sheet.
I've learnt lots of things here at Karawatha. I've learnt to respect other players even though I've never played them with them before, and all of the different music and of course Celtic strings.
I've learned how to play a piece by ear and a lot of new techniques.
When we're playing, you have to act really fast and your fingerings have to be accurate.
Music, it's very creative and you can express your feelings through it.
The best thing about being at Karawatha is interacting with new people.
Making new friends from other schools and learning how to song so we can improve our instruments, how we play it.
The best part about Karawatha is being with all my friends and playing this lovely music together.
One, two, 3, 4.